In the previous video, we installed Drush on a Mac, and let me go ahead and walk you through the process of installing it in Windows. It's actually pretty simple. First of all, go ahead and go to drush.ws/drush_windows_installer. Here, you can click on the Download Drush 5x-dev Windows installer. Now, if you're watching this later, there may be a later version of Drush available. Let's go ahead and click that to download it. Go ahead and open the file. When the setup window opens up, go ahead and click Next. And in the options here, make sure to select Register Environment Variables. Everything else you can go ahead and leave as the default, and then go ahead and click Next and Install. And when it's done, go ahead and click Finish. Now let's go ahead and open up our git bash command line, and let's go ahead and run a drush on here. Okay, and if you see all of this information, that means that Drush is installed and ready to go.